Today we're showing you a John Deere 4200 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 420 quick attach front loader. Tractor was traded in locally here from a fellow that bought a property, and this tractor came with the property. He had no need for the tractor, so he traded it on a newer unit. The tractor is in average condition. It's been sitting for a while, so it's going to need somebody to kind of go over the machine and service it and kind of go over it, etc. This is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it's selling as is, where is. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor, but again, it's been sitting for a bit, so it's probably going to need a little bit of a handyman to kind of go over it and grease it up and service it, etc. It does come with a front loader, quick attach. The bucket itself is quick attach as well. Again, a two-wheel drive tractor. I did have a mid-mount mower on it at one time, so it's got the mid-PTO, still has the mower brackets there. Free-range hydrostatic transmission. Range is over here. Cruise control up here on the dash. We did try that. That does still work. Pedals down there for your forward, reverse, and your hydro. And again, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. The bucket here does have some rust on the bottom. You can see through it at the back there. It looks like it was sitting outside. I think the tractor was kept inside. It looks like the loader may have sat outside. If you have questions on the tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.